we want to condemn the enforced disappearance, extrajudicial killing that is becoming Ndwale and the CS Interior Kindiki Kidure, that they came on the platform of change to stop enforced disappearance and extrajudicial killings of Muslims and Somalis in Garissa.
To air out our distress and concerns, and also to stand firmly in solidarity with the people from our backyard who was abducted by the security apparatus of this country, Kenya. And before I go deeply into my statement, I want to air out the number of missing people in our constituencies. Number 1, Abdul Hakim Mohammed, who was abducted in Liboi on 6th April 2024.
Siku ya leo tuna majonzi kubwa sana. Tunasikitika ya kwamba kila siku kukicha vijana ambayo walikuwa wanajimudu kibiashara huwa wanatatizika katika mikono ya serikali yetu ya Kenya. Na upande mwingine kule Somalia pia wako na taabu. Kweli kabisa hii barabara yetu sahihi kuna maafa mingi sana imetendeka, na hiyo ilifanyika sababu ya kutega hiyo ardhi, hiyo bomu ya ardhi.
Pimped up to attract customers. Bus here is 50 bob. Conductors and others hanging off the side. Tempting fate and a danger to other fellow public transport passengers. Don't just use your helmet, use your brain. But these guys are nothing compared to the flying trucks